Welcome to today's video where we'll explore the exciting world of passive income and how it can lead to your financial freedom. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking for ways to make money without being tied down to a job? Passive income is the key. Imagine making money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with loved ones. In this video, we're going to cover a range of passive income strategies that can help you achieve financial independence. 1. Introduction to passive income. Before we dive into the specific strategies, let's break down what passive income really means. Passive income refers to money earned with minimal effort or active involvement on your part. Unlike a traditional job, where you trade time for money, passive income allows you to create streams of revenue that continue to flow with little to no effort once they're set up. Some examples include investments, royalties, and automated online businesses. The beauty of passive income is that, over time, it can replace or supplement your current income, giving you the freedom to live life on your own terms. 2. Real estate investment. One of the most popular passive income strategies is real estate investment. Owning rental properties can be an excellent source of consistent income, as tenants pay rent each month. Whether it's a residential or commercial property, real estate allows you to build wealth while generating passive income. Investing in rental properties may require some upfront costs, such as property acquisition and maintenance, but the long-term returns can be substantial. For those with limited capital, real estate crowdfunding platforms can provide an entry point into the market. 3. Dividend stocks. Next, we have dividend-paying stocks. When you invest in certain companies, they share a portion of their profits with investors in the form of dividends. This means you can earn regular payments without selling your shares. Over time, with the right stock selections, these dividends can grow, creating a reliable stream of income. Dividend stocks are ideal for people looking to build long-term wealth. You don't need to actively manage your portfolio daily. Instead, you can reinvest the dividends to purchase more shares and increase your earnings over time. Look for well-established companies that have a history of paying consistent and growing dividends. 4. Creating a digital product. In today's digital age, creating and selling digital products can be a powerful source of passive income. Digital products include ebooks, online courses, templates, software, and apps. The beauty of this strategy is that once you've created the product, it can be sold over and over again with little to no additional work on your part. Platforms like Amazon Kindle, Udemy, and Etsy provide marketplaces where you can sell your digital products and reach a global audience. Whether you're sharing expertise in a specific field or creating a tool that solves a problem, the potential for scalability is endless. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another powerful way to generate passive income. This strategy involves promoting other companies' products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. It's an ideal method for bloggers, YouTubers, or influencers who have an engaged audience. You don't need to create your own products. Instead, you can focus on creating quality content, such as product reviews, tutorials, or recommendations, and include affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Over time, as your content grows and reaches more people, your affiliate income can grow. 2. 6. Peer-to-peer lending. Another passive income option is peer-to-peer lending. With this strategy, you act as a lender, providing loans to individuals or small businesses through online platforms like LendingClub or Prosper. In return, you earn interest on the money lent. This can be a relatively hands-off way to generate passive income, though there's always a level of risk involved, such as borrowers defaulting on loans. However, if done carefully, with a diversified loan portfolio, the returns can be lucrative. 7. Creating a YouTube channel or podcast. Starting a YouTube channel or podcast can be another effective way to create passive income. Once you've built an audience, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The content you produce can continue generating revenue long after it's been uploaded, making it a long-term source of income. Choose a niche you're passionate about and consistently create high-quality, engaging content. With platforms like YouTube, once you reach a certain level of views and subscribers, you can enable monetization and start earning passive income. 8. Investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts. For those who want to invest in real estate but don't want the responsibility of managing properties, REITs or real estate investment trusts are a great alternative. REITs are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate and allow individuals to invest in real estate portfolios by purchasing shares. Investing in REITs provides you with regular dividends, similar to stocks, without the hassle of dealing with property management. This is a fantastic option for anyone who wants to diversify their portfolio and enjoy passive income from real estate without the direct involvement. 9. Licensing intellectual property. If you're a creator, you can also earn passive income by licensing your intellectual property. Musicians can license their music, photographers can sell their photos, and writers can license their written content. Once your work is out there, every time someone uses or purchases it, you earn a royalty fee. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and even licensing services for music or artwork can serve as middlemen, allowing your content to be used globally while you continue to earn passive income from your creations. There you have it, 9 powerful passive income strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort in the beginning, but the rewards are well worth it. Whether you're investing in real estate, creating digital products, or monetizing your content, the key is to take consistent action. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos.